This is the Sony MDR-XB50AP, a pair of just ordinary earbuds. At least they just look that way on the surface. But the earbuds that come with our phones are good enough, right? Well, what if those break? You're dead. No more music. What a sad life. These XB50APs cost as much as a brand new pair of earpods. So we're here to find out whether these $30 earbuds are good enough to replace the ones that come with your phone or deserve to just go in the trash. Let's get started with a review. When you open the packaging, you're greeted with a couple of things. The first thing you'll notice is the earbuds themselves, a fleece feeling carrying pouch, and some extra ear tips. The earbuds have an L-shaped 3.5mm headphone jack, and the cable itself is this ribbon flat cable. The design of the earbud is interesting. It kind of reminds me of a Dyson vacuum or their Dyson hair dryers. It has this metallic disc tumor thing that adds to the design that I'm already mixed about. Inline controls, a built-in mic, and it comes in a couple of colors, just like those Dysons. The earbuds fit nicely in my ear, they don't hurt after 2 hours of continuous usage, and I actually like the feeling of the cable. It feels smooth, but there's actually little ridges in them to make it easier to hold and not slip as much. It also has that zipper-like thing to help prevent tangles, which is nice. The pouch it comes with is a nice addition to keep dirt and lint from your pocket from getting into the earbuds and then into your ear. That would be disgusting, but they really wouldn't protect the earbuds much from a fall. Whoa. Enough about that. How do they sound? It sounds really good for $30. It's really bass emphasized, like it states on the packaging, right there. Go figure. The mids are pretty clean and the bass makes songs sound pretty exciting, especially if you're one of those bass, need bass everywhere, bass here, bass there, I need bass, bassy people. The in-ear nature of these earbuds provide really good sound isolation, and there's not much sound leakage either. Overall, when comparing these to earpods at similar volume tick marks, these XB50APs are louder. Now, those are just a couple of good things about these earbuds. What about the bad? For one, the highs are a bit sharp, and by that what I mean is it feels like a blade, like being stabbed and jammed into my ear, making that the weakest part of the sound. While the bass is emphasized and is louder than everything else, it's not the cleanest, it's just average. It sounds around the same as the Apple EarPods. A previous pair of these that my girlfriend owned had the metallic disc looking thing actually chip and expose as white looking plastic. But that was after a couple of months, and that was based on her usage, so she could have messed it up. And the earbuds themselves did die after a year with heavy usage. And I mean heavy usage, like tugged on and thrown everywhere. And a year for earbuds that are used heavily sounds about right, at least for my usage. Now, what do I think about these earbuds? I think they're great. They cost $30, which is the same price as the Apple EarPods, yet provide an even cleaner and better sound, despite having sharp highs. And if you don't mind Dyson-inspired designs and an overall bass-heavy focus, then I'd highly recommend these earbuds. They're affordable and sound like they're worth so much more than just $30, despite only costing $30. Anyway guys, what do you think? Do you agree with this pick? Are there earbuds or headphones that you swear by? Leave that in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and well, maybe don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.